Hey, it's me, Tinker, and this is Build the Builder Bot. And today in Tinkerland, we're gonna construct a giant sea creature from the deep, a giant octopus. Come on. I want the octopus to be really, really big, so his head will be super tall, and then the octopus tentacles will wrap all around the pirate ship, kind of like he's attacking it. We can use these big sheets of cardboard to build it. We'll start with the body. We want it to be really, really big, so we'll place all of these pieces right next to each other, and then we can tape them together. This is perfect, but if we put it up, it'll flop over because it's just cardboard. So I've got this big piece of wood that we can use for structure, and it'll help hold it up nice and strong. Now let's turn it over. Let's tape the other side. Whoa, this is so big. I'm so excited. Now we can draw our octopus head with this black marker. Come on. I'll start down at the bottom here and swoop all the way up, and then I'll come out so that he has a really big head like this. Swoop up, go around this way, all the way up around this way. Now we can draw the eyes. So I'll make it like a shape like this, and like this, make a shape like this. Nice. We'll make him really angry too. Now we can cut it out from the cardboard. Now we can make our giant octopus tentacles. So I'll take some more pieces of cardboard and we'll put them together to make one long piece. I'll even lay them out so that it's nice and curvy. We'll add our structure. Now let's turn it over. Tape the front again. Awesome. Now we can draw our tentacle. So I'm gonna grab my marker here, and this is gonna be the base. So I'll just swoop all the way around like this. And then at the front over here, we're gonna make the end of the tentacle swirl around. Push this up all the way to the bottom. Cool. And a tentacle has little suction cups. So I'll draw little circles for the suction cups. And they get bigger towards the bottom, nice and big. And as we get up and up, they get smaller and smaller, see? Perfect. We'll cut this out. Wow, this is awesome. I love it. Now, an octopus has 8 tentacles, and we only made 1, so we still need to make 7 more. So let's get to work. Octopus and sharks and so much more. Mermaids and turtles swimming so free, crafting magic at the bottom of the sea. Whoa! This turned out so cool. Look how big it is. Now we're gonna paint it. Now paint is so cool because it really brings our whole creation to life. I've got our yellow, orange, and light yellow paint right here. And to paint our octopus, I'm gonna start with our darker yellow, and we're gonna go right around the outside like this. And now we're gonna go in with our lighter yellow and paint the inside of the tentacle where all of the suction cups are. Now I'm gonna take our orange here, and I'm just gonna take a small brush, and we're gonna add some texture to the outside of the tentacle. We'll add some dots, bumps almost, like he's spotted. And now that it's dry, we can go in with our black marker right here and add some details. So I'm gonna go around some of these circles and some of these bumps like this. Let's do that all around over here. Great, and now we still need to add the suction cups. So I'm gonna use our black marker to go in here and add little tiny circles. Wow, this looks so cool. All of the paint and markers really brought it to life. Now, we'll do the rest of the tentacles, but let's go paint the head next. The head is huge, but we'll use the same 3 colors. We'll start with our dark orange. We wanna go around the eyebrows, and we'll do it down here. Perfect. And then we're gonna go right around the top here. Whoa. Now we'll go in with our regular yellow. We're just gonna fill in all these spots. Now we can take our lightest yellow. We'll just go in here, right by the cheek. And we'll just put it right in the middle here. And this is its highlight. And then we'll do the same thing with the upper eyebrow right here. There we go. Now it doesn't look like much, but we're gonna blend this all together and it's gonna look really cool. Wow, nice. We'll continue to paint the rest of it a nice yellow. Cool. Let's finish painting all the tentacles.
Grab some cardboard and paper plates today. We're diving deep where the sea creatures play. Paint and markers make the colors bright. Underwater wonders come to life tonight. At the bottom of the sea we'll create and explore. Octopus and sharks and so much more. Mermaids and turtles swimming so free, crafting magic at the bottom of the sea. At the bottom of the sea we'll create and explore. Octopus and sharks and so much more. Mermaids and turtles swimming so free, crafting magic at the bottom of the sea.
Whoa, this turned out so cool. I love all the giant tentacles wrapping around the lawn and going up into the tree up here. And there's some wrapping around the pirate ship. Yeah, just like we pictured. How cool. I can't believe we made this octopus all by ourselves and out of cardboard. And you can make an octopus at home too. We'll show you how. All you'll need is some construction paper. And we'll take a piece like this. I like the color yellow. And then we'll take this and we'll cut some strips just like this. There we go. And now you'll take one strip like this and make a ring, just like this. And we'll take a piece of tape and just tape it right here so that we make one ring. And then we're gonna make a chain. So we take another one and put it through here, wrap it around the top, and tape it again. Oops. There we go. And we just keep adding more and more rings all the way around. Perfect. This one's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chain links long. Now we just need 8 of these so that we can make an octopus. These are our 8 tentacles for our octopus, and now we just need to make the head. Just take some more construction paper. We'll place it down here and we'll draw our face. So we'll start down here and bring it up. And then we'll draw some eyebrows, and then some under eyes, and we'll complete the eyebrows like this. There we go. Perfect. Now we can cut this out with our scissors. You can have a grown-up help you cut this out. Now that we have our head of our octopus, we can attach all the tentacles. And the way I like to attach it is to take one of the chains and fold it like this. So tape, turn it over, and then just attach the tentacle right here. There we go. Oh, look at that. It's our super cool octopus. I love how they're really flexible, so you can bend them around, and you could even hang this. We'll take our string and just cut a piece that's a couple feet long, and then we'll take a piece of tape like this, and we'll just tape it to the top of our octopus, right on the back of its head right here. You can hang it in your room or in a window. There we go. Now you could leave it like this, but let's hang all of the tentacles up too. Wow, look at our cool octopus. He's hanging and spread all around. And if you have a pirate ship toy or you made one out of cardboard, you can add it in and wrap the tentacles around. I love our giant octopus. I love the cool tentacles we made. They're very flexible. And it turned out so cool. Whether you make a really, really big one like this, or a smaller one like we made over here, just get out there and make something of your own. Or if you want to make something really big and creative like this out of cardboard, give it a try. Well, it's time for us to go now, but I hope you'll come back and visit us here in Tinkerland real soon. Until next time, see you later, friend. Happy building. Oh, that's a great idea, Bill. There's lots more ocean creature crafts over on the Tinker and Friends YouTube channel, where we're making jellyfish, crabs, fish, and sea turtles that you can make at home. Plus, get ready to see Tinker and Bill as they build a giant pirate ship out of cardboard boxes and construct their own pirate island in the Tinkerland Park. It all leads up to our brand new Pirate Week celebration here in Tinkerland. where we'll be building all sorts of new pirate projects and show you tips and tricks so you can make pirate projects at home. There's so much to do and make here on Tinker and Friends. See you there.